So I want to talk about life in the garden, and I want to cover a couple specific points. So as you see, not every leaf is perfectly perfect, and you know, it's just not perfect. And the reason for that is because, well, frankly, I'm going to turn it over so you can see. They have aphids. Look at all of those aphids. Aphids. Frickety aphids. But, right, at the same time that there are aphids, can you see them there? You see them? Those little dots right here? See them? Those are called lacewing eggs. And what will happen is when those babies hatch, they're going to go through here and they're going to make a buffet of those aphids. And that is the flow of life. It's good and it's bad. It's yin and it's yang. It's feminine, it's masculine. Masculine and feminine, by the way, have nothing to do with male and female, so put that to the side. It is life and death. That is the cycle of life. And when you allow life to happen, beauty comes, productivity comes, because that is the flow. That is how it works. So in my garden, initially, when plants are very young and only have 2 or 3 little teeny leaves, I do a great deal to protect them from nature, from things like aphids and things of that nature. But once they are bigger and a little better established, I don't do so much because I know that nature will take care of itself. And you can see that right there evident with the aphids and the lacewing. There it is. And that's pretty much just what I wanted to talk about today. It's the same thing over here with the compost. In the compost, you would think that that would stink the high heavens, right? But it doesn't. It smells like nothing. I'm right here. See me? I'm right here on it. And it smells like nothing. And the reason for that being is because of the balance. It is the harmony. You see carbon. You see food scraps. The carbon source is the paper. Or you could use dry leaves. Or you could use wood chips, right? And what that does is help the process to happen without that funky smell. If you find that you have flies are not good guys. They bring nasty stuff to your compost that can infect the garden once you actually start using the compost. So what do? Boil yourself some water. Treat your compost bin with boiling water until you notice the flies are gone. Yeah, there's a couple guys buzzing around, but you'll see a lot of life in here. You'll see white butterflies. You'll see, we've seen monarchs, which was really exciting. We also have pollinators happening in our garden. You see this? Cosmos. We have marigolds coming. We have some sunflowers coming. We have all of these things because they will invite happy, good, beneficial insects in, and those insects will help to manage and keep control of things like aphids and fly larvae and things of that nature. So if you just allow, in general, life to happen, the good and the bad, the yin and the yang, you'll find that things will go to your benefit. Of course, everything is always working out for you. You are the creator of your reality. You are a person living consciously, right? And living consciously is not just about self-awareness. It's not just about meditation and chakras. It's also about self-reliance. It's also about actually taking those things that you know and putting them to use, actually doing something with them, and that's pretty much what conscious living is. It's a balance. It's a harmony between self-awareness and self-reliance, which is life. That's life, metaphysical and physical. You can't have one without the other. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you are much like my garden, growing, flowing, and blossoming. Blessed be.